laki-laki to. Yung laki-laki. Up. 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 Mga kasama, yan triple kung gamit natin, nakadalawa tayo. Dalawa na tayo. Malaki-laki ito mga kasama. Bakukok. Bakukok na naman. Grabe laban. Grabe laban ng ating yan, bakukok. Okay, ito lang isa squid. GoPro, stop recording.
Okay.
Wow. Good.
With this.
Yeah, better also. You know, floating also. Float.
One time I make with this, I put inside the boot.
Oh,
The boot go inside 300, and he throw, and I make. You know what I catch?
yeah.
See.
Oh.
Also on boot.
Yeah, yeah.
Here. Ah.
Kingfish. Kingfish, yeah.
With this like this.
Yeah. This lure.
Lucille good.
Lucille.
Too much wind. Now air.
Ah.
You throw the rope go there.
But good place, huh?
Yes, like this. Better than here.
But not allowed there, huh?
No, no problem.
No, cool. Maybe inshallah next time. Okay, brother. Yung mga kasama pinapishing nila. May boat sila. Yan, may boat sila. Yan. Ang laki-laki to. Oop. Laki. Yan, makasama ang laki, oh. Laki niya. Okay, nakachamba tayo. Nalulun. Ay. Tayo dalawa tayo. Ano pala? Ay, nakawala yung isa. Kanang pumalag. Malaki. Yan ang huli ko. Yan. Okay.